Masruq says, we asked Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu the interpretation of the verse, and those who have been slain in the way of Allah, never think of them as dead, but they are alive with their Lord, get their subsistence. Surah Al-Imran, verse 169. Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, we also inquired of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, their souls reside in the green bird's claw. Lamps are suspended on the throne for them. They fly around pecking wherever they wish in paradise and then return to those lamps. Their Lord Jalla Jalaluhu looks towards them and says, do you have any desire? They submit, what else can we desire now? We fly around pecking wherever we wish in paradise. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu asks it thrice from them. Then, when they notice that they will not be left without posing a question, they say, O our Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, we wish you to return our souls to our bodies until we may again be killed in your way. When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will see that they need nothing, they will be left. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4862.